Currently, we out west. Going to a spot called Ben's BBQ. It used to be called Joe's BBQ. I've been going here my entire life. It's in Austin, North Austin to be specific, on the corner of North Avenue and Mason. Yeah, we about to get us some rib tips. I want to show y'all these real quick. Hold on. You see that? This is one of my favorites for a reason. Right. So good. On North Avenue and North Austin. Support them. I've been supporting them since I was a child. My mother brought me here. Yeah, man. You Chicagoland.